Two dams collapsed due to torrential rain in Hulun Buir City of North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region on Sunday, and no casualties have been reported yet, said the Ministry of Emergency Management on Monday. The dams on the Yong'an Reservoir and Xinfa Reservoir in the Daur autonomous banner of Morin Dawa were breached and collapsed due to the heavy rain, affecting 16,660 people. And the torrential rains flooded nearly 22,000 hectares of farmland, destroyed 22 bridges, 124 culverts, 15.6 kilometers of highways, and 19,748 meters of road shoulders. People were immediately relocated and evacuated, with no casualties reported, the ministry said. The State Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters had activated a Level 3 emergency response for flood control on Sunday evening and dispatched a working team to guide the handling of the emergencies. The ministry called for efforts to further carry out search and rescue work, strengthen inspections in downstream areas that may be affected, prevent secondary disasters, and transfer the affected residents to safe places.